So I've been waiting for this. It finally came in, guys. We're waiting and waiting. Just picked it up from the post office. Okay, this is a little pricey, but you know, I'm always trying to get curly wigs, and every time I try to get a curly wig, it always gets nasty on the ends within the first wash. So I figured do one good curly wig and see what happens. This is the box. I want y'all see it too, same time I'm seeing it. Okay, so let's see what we got, guys. This, she's so beautiful. I talked to her. She's so nice. She's so nice. I'm gonna order another one too. I guess this is my information. And look at all the pretty stuff. Okay, the most important part is the hair. So, let's see what we got here. Wow, it's beautiful. It's like Christmas. Oh, it smells amazing, like coconut. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And she got the C part in it already. Oh, it smells divine. I wish you could smell it through the phone. Oh man. And look at that. Look at that. And then she has the band. Because I have a really small head. My head is like a 21 or maybe. So, look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? I just can't get over the smell. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I might be taking this one off and wearing this one tomorrow. So pretty, so pretty. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. And don't be surprised if I go take this one off and put this one on for tomorrow. Yeah, oh my gosh. If you could just feel it, it feels like silk. And again, look at that. Look how thin that is. You can see, pretty much see my white nails through there. Yes. She scores big on this one. It cost me a pretty penny. But you know, every once in a while you deserve it. If you got a credit card, you can put it on a credit card. And just pay it when you can. Oh, I forgot to show you this part. Look at this. Can you see that? Look at that. I don't have to pluck it. Normally I get a wig and I have to pluck it. This one I don't have to do anything to. Oh, she got a winner on her hands, guys. Yeah, yeah. And it's nice and thick. Well, maybe she will let me do some promo for her and I can get some wigs half off. Sister would love that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for viewing. And again, and she's out of Dallas. I almost want to drive down there and pick it up, but I decided to wait. Anyway, thank you guys. Bye-bye.